Learning intelligent patrol dog. It's not an ordinary robot dog. When I go home from school, it'll bark at me like a spoiled child. When I am drawing, it's always with me quietly. It's a dog most obedient to me. Patrol dog, come over. It can sing as well. Dance for me. Play with me and make me fun. Learning intelligent patrol dog, my best friend.
Introducing the remote control robot dog from Top Race. Give your dog commands with the included easy-to-use remote control. And watch as he plays the day away. Take him for walks.
Somersault.
And even control him using your voice. He even imitates other animals. From Top Race.
Amwell Intelligent Robot Dog, Decatur. It has big eyes, a cute shape, and a flexible waist. It can easily turn around, twist the buckets, and occasionally, it's shy. It is good at singing and dancing. And its bright sing and humorous dance movements are really funny. The infrared sensor on its chest enables it to turn around in time after hitting a wall. Haha! It is really a good partner for me to grow up. Intelligent robot dog, Decatur.
I need to work harder to make Harry come back to me. It's almost done. Install the last foot. It looks like Harry very much. Let's start it to have a try.